What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey y'all, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about stocks to buy for next week, guys. We got a market sell-off that happened this past week, so we got some great opportunities for next week, and I want to put a couple in front of you guys. But hey, listen, if I helped you out in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, by now you all have seen how the week have played out. I want to make sure that I stay on code and provide the same videos that I provide each and every week, so you already know we end the week talking about plays for next week. Okay guys, always moving ahead on our journey. Okay, listen, you guys have experienced a market sell-off. Every stock, or almost every stock, if not all of them, were down significantly in the market, which means that's a buying opportunity based on how you look at the market. Okay, so today I'm going to point out a few things for you to take advantage of. Check this out, guys. I'm currently sitting at 154,000. Check out this. I wanted to show you the type of week that it was. Okay, so from Friday to Friday, look at how much I'm down. I'll get all of that back. This is just a loss on paper, but I think it's important for me to show you that on a journey, and this is why I say it's a marathon. And trying to hit 100K, I don't just go right to 100K. I have weeks where I'm up to 160, weeks where I'm back down to 150, weeks where it's back up to 165, but this is part of the journey. This is the part I want to show you guys in terms of making sure that you understand you're going to have that fluctuation when you have high risk plays. Okay, really quickly with our AMC update, before I talk about AMC, options killed it this week. However, the stocks, and more importantly the stock sell-off, took the portfolio down. So make sure you differentiate. We won heavily in options, but then that was offset by the stock being down and plays like this being down. AMC sitting at $34.05. Check this out. This one was down 23% on the week. So you think about all of my high risk plays plus my AMC play, and again, that's how you get down $7,000 on the week. No worries. Okay, I have a lot of going on, and when I focus, I'll make this all back. I'll crush it in AMC. If not, I'll crush it in all the other plays. It just comes with the territory. Okay, but that's why you stay the course. That's why you don't panic sell. That's why you make strategic moves in the market. All right, really quickly before I leave AMC, next week look for this play. If it goes down, okay, I want you to look for the $30 to $29 range in terms of where it may go to on Monday. If you're trying to jump in this, you want to either buy it at that level and ride it back up towards this level. Okay, if you see it go up from here, it has some support at around 36, 37. We never got back through 39 after Thursday. So again, just things to be mindful of in terms of prices that this stock had support and showed resistance levels at. Okay, now on to a few plays for next week, guys. Listen, there's many opportunities in the market that I want you guys to make sure that you are taking advantage of. However, I want to make sure that I at least put out two for you to consider. Look at ChargePoint, guys. This one was down 1.3% on the day, and on the week it was down 18%. Why? They did a share offering. By now, guys, you should see every time a company does a share offering, it makes the stock price go down. It's good for long term, but it's in the short term, it brings the stock price down. Again, nothing you need to panic about, complain about, be fussing about. Not saying that's what anybody is doing. You just have to understand all the things you're up against in the market. Shorting, manipulation, algorithm trading. You have crashes, pullbacks, corrections. You got so many other things, plus share dilution, share offerings. You got all these different things, which is why we need to do a better job at taking profit. Check this out. Even though it was down here on the week, look, it started the week at 28, and then by the end of the week it's down to 22. But look at this. Just not too long ago, it was at 35. I was promoting it when it was at 37. Those are points and times to lock in profit. But check this out. You're going to get another bite of the apple. That's the beauty about the stock market. So for those of you that took profit already, like I did and like many others that you did do, major salute. Now it has pulled back, okay? Only due to the share offering, okay? Again, that comes to territory. But look at this. The support level that I want you guys to be thinking about. Let's go to the 3-month chart. Look at here. You're going to have some support at the $20 level and some support again at the $20 level, okay? So if you want to get back in for a rinse and repeat, let it fall a little bit further. Be patient. Get this at 20, okay? Then consider riding this back up to its rightful place around 30, 35, and then be ready to take profits. Even though I told you this can hit 40, and it will, you always have things you want to come up against in the market. So you want to make sure you lock in profit. I'm going to be stressing that a lot more on this journey, okay? I want to see you guys continue to eat, but continue to dodge these sell-offs and pullbacks if we can, okay? And last but not least is Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR. This one is sitting at $21.34. This one too finished the day down, and it finished the week down almost 8.5%, okay? This one showed a lot of strength at around the $21 level. Remember, I kept telling you guys this because I personally want this to come to $20.73. Everybody take a look at my average cost. I'm waiting for this to come to $20.73 so I can nibble, and then I'll load up even more if it comes to 18. That will help me lower my average cost. But if it doesn't touch that, I'm not touching it, and therefore I'll just wait patiently, okay? That's the name of the game. But with that being said, Palantir is another play in addition to ChargePoint that has created another buying opportunity for some of you. Some of you could be averaging down. Some of you that felt like you were getting left. That's why I say never chase. Don't have FOMO. You now can see that you can get this at 21. This play, let's go back out just 1 month, okay? This play was at $27. So that is a huge gain if you can get this at 21, 20, 19, or 18, and then ride this back up to $27, $30, okay? Again, I'm going to be stressing more heavily about profit taking. So if I'm talking about selling and profit taking, please take the message appropriately. This market is unlike any other, so you have to be ready to adjust. Listen guys, up next we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is market sell-off. Listen guys, by now all of you should have experienced some form of a correction, pullback, or just seeing this go on. I'm hoping you now understand and see it's part of the stock market. I do my best to prepare you. I make videos. I tell you about these 8 to 10% corrections, always ahead of the game and giving you the game. I tell you about around time frames. I told you you can expect this in June and September, okay? So you can never time it, okay? So not that we won't get anything in June or September, but consider this part of what I've been sharing, okay? It comes, and it comes on very fiercely. However, you are prepared. We got puts that we crushed the game with last week. Make sure you guys are joining the weekly option plays and sign up for the option class. We have calls you can do strategically if you know the plays that will go up. Again, always looking for opportunities in the midst of the mayhem, okay? So listen guys, don't be discouraged by it. Understand that it comes with the territory. Don't bash your fellow investors and your experts or your fellow YouTubers you watch thinking that they don't know what they're doing. It comes with the game. It's not me that's making the plays go down. It's not you that's making the plays go down. It's just what comes with the territory. When you're dealing with Wall Street, when you're dealing with manipulation, shorting, crashes, and corrections, it all comes with it. I never complain, guys. I come from the trenches. I learn to adapt, adjust, and win regardless. That's what I want to see you guys do. That's what I'm expecting you guys to do. But more importantly, that's what I'm going to help you guys do. Remember, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.